very relaxing.
I got an orange one, and I got a blue one. Don't try to help me. Because you know how I do it.
It's just considered as a
Mushman.
fidget.
Whatever you got.
Almost a basketball. No budget.
No budget.
What's up, YouTube family? We back from our no budget fidget shopping adventure.
Yes.
We went to 2 stores, went to Hobby Lobby and Ollie's, and we found a lot of goodies this time.
A whole lot.
A whole lot. The no budget almost got me, but I survived it. So, y'all ready to show YouTube your fidgets?
Yes. Let's get to it. So first I got something that you have to put in a
SLIMI SQUEEZERS. It's called SLIMI SQUEEZERS.
Well, that's an interesting fidget.
It looks like a fidget to me.
Alright, so
We want to put something inside the mouth, guys.
So we got this slimy squeezer. And I guess what it is you put some slime in it and you squeeze it and it comes out. So let's, I don't know how would you put this?
I'm scared of it.
How would you put the slime?
Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, wait a minute. That's slime. You want to get it all over the place.
Alright, how would you open this up?
Oh, sure, I can see the
what I'm trying
bag.
to
Is it go through the mouth?
Probably it connects to the mouth.
Let's see. We gonna figure this out, y'all. Just bear with
Does
us.
it have directions?
Okay, so this is
You gotta see it. How
What
would
if
you put
you-
it in the mouth though? Y'all, we done got something that we don't know what we're doing. Well, actually, Callie picked that up.
Oh, I
okay.
know what it is.
Alright, so on the thing it's saying that you lay him down on the side and
Oh my gosh. Why does slime look like
Are
that?
we supposed to suck it up? Oh.
it's not though.
Oh.
Oh. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know.
It's coming out of the back of your hand.
What kind of I don't know how you get the slime in this.
Oh,
Thing.
it's leaking. Daddy's leaking.
Yeah,
Alright,
let's.
hold it over
hold-
the table.
oh,
Don't get
wait,
it on my
hold-
floor. Oh.
Alright, let's put it back in the pack. Oop. Oh,
This look like
I'm
soap.
Yeah,
gonna have to wash my hands.
This look like
Put it in.
soap.
This
Just put
toy
it
is not what we expected.
in.
Oh, heck.
Hold it over the table.
It's all over the place. Put it back in there. Put it in, put it in.
That was not exactly a fidget.
Why are you washing your hands? Okay,
Okay, that didn't turn out right.
let me go get something though. Yeah. Well, this fidget,
Get that fidget. Get that fidget.
so I don't
I don't know. This thing looks like snot.
This is a messy fidget. I don't even know how. It came with slime and it has this hole in the middle, but there's no way to get the slime in. There's no opening or nothing on it. There's no way to get the slime in.
That's confusing.
So
And how much was this?
I don't know. This was like this is $5. What do y'all rate this fidget?
0 out of 0. 0 out of negative 0.
0 out of 0.
Negative 0.
What you giving?
So we rate this one a 0 out of 0.
This fidget, we got this coffee thing that Mama picked out.
More slime.
Coffee.
Let me open up this because I see. Let me just show you guys. You see that slime pack coffee, cinnamon donut. Okay.
It looks like it smells good.
I love coffee, especially
Me too.
Starbucks. Okay, you might.
I can't.
Don't want to mess up these nails.
I look cute, girl.
Alright.
Okay, so I know I'm gonna open up the coffee one. I think. What is it?
Can I open it there?
Coffee
The
and
coffee.
cinnamon donut.
Let's see.
It has
First, Mama always
Breakfast
at the
smells.
bottom. It has something at the bottom. I don't know what that
Yours
is.
do, mine don't.
Oh, okay.
Let's open it. Let's get started, baby.
Oh, this thing.
Oh my gosh, I hate this part. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm gonna have to eat this thing.
No, you're not gonna eat that.
I was just kidding.
Let's see, this one.
Okay, so
Smell this thing, Daddy.
This one smelled. This flavor was.
I'm kind of disappointed.
This flavor is cinnamon donut. It does smell kind of like a cinnamon donut, but
Oh my
it could be
god.
better.
I'm kind of disappointed in this smell. This one smells better.
Can I?
That don't smell like no coffee.
This one smelled like old used coffee. Yeah, so that one was
Down here though.
coffee slime. I don't know what those bees
This is
are.
supposed to be cinnamon sprinkles.
I guess so.
I like this one better.
Smell like candles.
That coffee one, like, yeah, that's a disappointment.
So what do y'all rate the cinnamon donut and the coffee?
I give this one 100 out of 100 and this one. I give this 1,000 out of 100. And I give this one. I give it a 0. I give this one.
Boy, wait. Let's get a more accurate thing. What do you rate this?
I rate this a 9,
9.
and I rate this a 0 because it doesn't
Okay.
smell like coffee.
All right. I rate this maybe a 1, and I rate this a 9.
This one smells like the candle that we use.
Yeah.
That one, I don't know if that smells like something.
So these are called breakfast slimes. Breakfast slime coffee, breakfast slime cinnamon donut. Okay.
Okay, well that
Next is
This one.
some more slime.
more slime. More slime.
This one has
Let's open it,
different.
guys.
So what?
Who is that person?
This is soda slime pack,
Soda slime.
and it has different
Flavors.
scents, not flavors, because you can't eat it.
Ew.
Scent: orange, cherry, grape,
It got
and lemon lime.
Okay.
It got scent in it.
You can open it. Yeah, scent. It's not flavors, but you can't eat it.
All right.
I'm nervous. I don't know.
Okay, each one of us gonna get one, right?
Yep. Orange soda.
Orange.
Who wants orange soda?
Me.
All right.
Who loves orange soda?
Who loves orange soda?
I got Fanta.
I do.
I do.
Cherry.
Cherry. Who wants cherry?
Gotta get cherry.
Now we have grape.
I get grape.
Grape.
Ew. Like a puppy.
And I get lemon lime.
Let's open this.
We'll
Let's
see what
see.
this one is about. Okay.
It smells like
Now this right here smell like Robitussin.
This one smells stinky. give this a 0.
What is that one you got? Cherry?
Ew.
It smells like.
This one is
What is
you like it? Oh,
This smells like air freshener. This is my Robitussin.
I like it. I like the way this one smells.
I don't like that.
This smells like Robitussin.
That smells like jam.
Let me
Yum.
see.
And what's those stuff on the bottom?
My car scent. Well, it smells like one of those ices, cherry icy.
Yeah. Maybe at
Oh,
the
the
end.
ice.
Maybe at the end we'll mix all of these up and see what it turns to.
Oh yeah, and that other side?
I don't know about that. Maybe just these. We'll mix them up.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do y'all rate these?
I rate this one.
All of them. What do you rate them? Because they're all like soda flavored.
This stink, that stink. This stink, this stink, this stink, this stink, that's good.
Okay, so Kylie said the grape and the orange is good. Cherry and lemon lime.
Stink.
What y'all think?
I give all of this stink a 10 out of 10. I give this 100 out of 1,055. This a
Oh, so dramatic. Okay, so I give the grape a 8. The orange I give a 5. The cherry I give a 7. And this one I would give maybe an 8.
Okay. I don't know. I like the cherry and the grape. So I'll say maybe a 8 out of 10. Orange and lime, maybe a 3.
Kinetic sand! My favorite!
Next is kinetic sand. We found kinetic sand. So on the last fidget video, we wasn't sure if kinetic sand was a fidget. And someone did say kinetic sand was a fidget, but I can't remember who said it. But someone said kinetic sand was a fidget. So, we found some today and we picked it up and we're gonna see what it's all about.
Guys, y'all ready? This is good.
So, yeah, so this is the kinetic sand we found.
Don't get it on the floor.
We have the purple, orange, and then blue. Yeah.
This gives me Play-Doh
Play-Doh
type vibes.
Play-Doh type vibes. So we got purple, orange, and blue. Alright, so this is the kinetic sand. And it is soft like sand. It's like Play-Doh and sand mixed together.
Yeah.
That's what I think about it. It's like Play-Doh and sand mixed together.
That feels like when you scratch it, it feels like smooth.
Alright, so what y'all think about this? Do we have blue? Oh.
I just know that one.
This is more like construction.
Yeah, that one stinks. You know what? I think I want to say this probably is Play-Doh and sand mixed up together. Because if you smell this one, if you smell it good enough, you can smell it. Kind of smell like Play-Doh.
It does.
And this one.
Why this one stink?
I don't know, that blue one.
They must have dropped the ball on this one.
So yeah, I'm thinking this is like Play-Doh and sand mixed up together. That's kind of what I think about it.
Yeah, me too.
What do y'all think about this kinetic sand?
I like it.
I
Like it?
I like it good. I give it.
Yeah, it is a little messy, but I mean, the texture of it feels kind of good.
I like
It
it.
has a good texture to it. All right, so the next fidget we have stress balls.
Is it?
Wait a minute. That one's mine. That's fine. That's yours. I think that orange one is yours. Did we get another one?
Oh my god, how many?
I don't have stuff I had to sit
I saw this on TikTok.
So,
Okay.
I don't have a stress ball, but this can be considered as one. This is like a squeeze llama. So,
I
getting into these things.
You struggling?
Yeah, I'm struggling bad. I'm struggling bad.
You want me to open it?
I'm
You're a
struggling.
little thick, ain't you?
Yeah, I think my paper feels different than y'all.
Inside. Guys, if you want to see it,
Open up, daddy.
it's just light. What is this one? I think ooh.
Oh man.
This is Gucci.
So look at this. Look at this. So you squeeze it. Look at that. That is so satisfying.
You will hold it open. We squeeze it hard.
Oh. You go then.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
You're the bomb.com.
I love this one.
Ow.
I'm gonna take this to work.
I think I'm gonna take mine to work
And
too.
you don't get in trouble, are you?
I really love this. I love this.
Be irritating me.
I love this.
Squeeze
I
this.
love it.
Don't bite it.
It's cool how like they got.
Let me
I
squeeze this.
forgot what this
Ew.
part
Okay, so
Ow.
is. Got a little llamas. This is mine. This
this
feels
is a
good.
cool little llama. Alright, so we got the stress balls. What do you think about your llama?
I'll give mine a 10 because it just feels amazing.
Okay. What do you think about your stress ball and llama?
A 10.
Yeah. Kylie?
10.
10? Okay.
I give this 1,000.
I really like this.
It just look funny when you do that. Like,
Yeah, I love it. So for me,
giving me blisters.
usually I don't like stuff like this.
What is
Like
this?
stuff like that come out like this. What you call it? Triphobia, tripophobia, or something like that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, stuff that be on here.
Yeah, like when you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, I think I know what you're saying, but I can't. I
Like
can't see.
something that has like a lot of pores or like honeycombs or like something like this. It's called
I don't know what it is.
triphobia.
It's something.
Triphobia. I don't know. I'll probably end up looking up later because I'm gonna still be thinking about it.
This
But-
is cool.
Yeah, I like these. I really like these. So for me, my favorite fidget was the DNA ball. But I think this one is my new favorite fidget.
This is cool. Like how it changes colors and pop out like this.
Yeah, I think this is my favorite fidget.
It look like balloons too.
Switch,
Yeah. I really love this. I
I
might go
love
back and
this
get another
one.
color
This
too.
is so cool.
So y'all really like these, right?
Yes, see, this is my favorite.
Yeah, and this one is orange. And if you squeeze it, the balls are pink when they come out.
Cool.
So
I love this color.
This color,
I really like these. I really like these.
this color is,
These are my new favorite fidgets.
this color is Gucci.
Okay, cool. So what is that?
This is the Hobby Kids. Make sure y'all check them out. They're cool.
Wait a minute. When did you sneak this in there? What is this?
What is it?
I don't remember seeing us pick this up.
Oh, it's gonna look fine. Go back. Let me see.
Oh, okay, got it.
Hobby Kids, check them out.
Hobby Kids. What is Hobby Kids?
They play like Minecraft and stuff.
Okay.
And it's so
Like, why they be so hard to open?
Oh,
Oh my god.
this looks like it looks like it's gonna be good. I think I like it already.
I think
I
I
like
like
how
it.
y'all play on mouth on that.
All right, hold up. Open it.
You gotta put on it and open the nose and and you gotta squish the booger. You gotta squish the and you gotta squish the booger. You gotta squish the booger. You gotta squish the booger and his nose.
frog,
Oh my god.
and it has the slime in it. So I'm guessing you put the slime.
Put the slime where?
You gotta put his boogers in the thing.
Okay, I got it. So this slime, you put it there.
Put it in his booger.
Oh, that's so gross.
Put it in his booger.
No, you're so fascinated with that.
Okay.
I forgot to get it all.
Gross. Oh,
Put it in here.
I'm still no Henry.
What's that
I
booger
just feel like,
Oh man.
no.
So all the slime is in there. You squeeze it and that happens.
Bubble!
Look at that.
Boogers.
Look at it.
Oh!
Ew, Daddy.
Squeeze it. Yeah, there you go. What's that?
That's so nasty.
You gotta squeeze it. So this one is a cow. You squeeze it.
Oh, that's what that is, a cow.
A pig. I mean, this is a pig. I thought it was a cow, but it's a pig.
We touching his boogers, y'all. Now put it in there, buddy.
I'm sorry, y'all. Please excuse Kylie.
She's so blunt.
She has no
Filter at all.
I got two.
Okay, let's move on.
Boogers.
Oh my god, okay, that's nasty. Who created this toy?
The Hobby Kids. You just told it. The
The
Hobby
Hobby Kids.
Okay.
I love that video.
Is this the one y'all be watching on YouTube?
I love Bluetooth.
Hobby Kids Adventure?
It's
Yeah.
it's called Ooey Gooey Pickin' Surprise. So what it basically is these little characters, rubber characters, and it has slime in it, and you squeeze it, and the slime comes out of the nose. What do y'all rate these?
A 10.
What do you rate it?
8.
You rate it?
5.
I rate it a 9. I really like it.
5 is bad.
I
Of
can't
course, you like it nasty.
I can't give it a 10 because I like that stretch ball a lot better. But these are pretty cool. I really like them.
Next is
Of course,
More slime. More slime. I think we brought more slime than anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we brought more slime than anything.
What scent are those?
This scent is, this might be interesting. This one is called the Breakfast Bonanza, and it has maple syrup and blueberry.
Sweet Holly.
Let's put it here.
Okay, so this one is what? Blueberry what?
Pineapple.
Blueberry what, y'all?
Syrup. Pineapple.
Whew, hold on, that smell got me.
That smells like,
It was just blueberry.
this smells like a stank smoothie.
Smell that.
I like throw up. That smell like. I smell.
Oh! Whew.
Oh!
Don't put
That smells familiar though.
Yeah, this one was maple syrup.
That smells like honey.
Alright, so these breakfast slimes, one was a blueberry, one was maple. What do y'all rate these?
0.
0.
Zeros. Okay, we don't like the blueberry slime or the maple slime.
It has a funny smell to them.
It kind of smells a little bit like it, but something's off about
I
it.
dropped the ball.
Yeah, so what do we got next? What is that?
Smell it. Just smell it.
How you know what sweat smells?
Oh, yes, it is stink.
Let me see.
Smell that thing, Mama. Smell
It
it.
smells sour.
Smell like stink sweat. I'm a jellyfish. I'm nauseous.
So what is it? Like you just squeeze it?
Yeah, you just squeeze it. It's
Does it?
it doesn't do anything. You just squeeze it.
Make a sound.
It kind of looked like that thing off of
Monster thing?
yeah, it kind of looks like that thing off Monsters Inc. So
Oh yeah,
it's really nothing. You just squeeze it.
Can't even read it.
That's it. So I don't even think it's rateable. It's just a
He looked like Monster Inc. with that thing with
and yeah, it does.
fidget spinner.
Next is the fidget spinner, the good old fidget spinner.
You know why it's called fidget? Because it's a fidget spinner.
Yeah, I don't know where.
Give him away. I had a pink one. Dizzy had a red one. Makai had oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And something is on it. I don't know. What is that?
Jeffrey, how long you gonna be playing with this? For the day?
Put that in that thing. Probably you don't tear that thing.
Okay.
That's really cool.
But I can't.
So, not much to say about a fidget spinner. I mean, they've been out for a while. So it's just a fidget spinner. What's the next thing we got?
What is that?
I don't know.
So this is a monster tread and it's slime again. Something else dealing with slime.
Yes, it's the same thing.
Let's see
as
what
the
it
other
is.
ones.
Slime. Oh
It's a lot of slime. Is the slime not packed up?
no, it's actually in the bag.
It's characters.
So
Oh my god.
so the slime was not
Oh
Okay, y'all definitely not touching that.
packaged separately. It was just in the bag. And it has like a little monster truck in it, and I guess you just ride the truck through the slime, I guess. But yeah, it's
And they got like, what is that? Is that crab?
yeah, well, it's like a bug or something.
Spider.
Well, it might be a crab.
Probably a spider. I feel like
Yeah, but it's so messy, and I just want to get it off me.
Yeah, that's y'all not touching that.
Okay.
next fidget.
Let's put that back in.
Next fidget.
So messy.
Oh my god.
Ew.
Slime.
That don't get
Now,
on your
what
nail.
kind of consistency is this?
That don't get on your nail.
This is like a different type of slime.
This is something else.
Jesse, why you put your hand?
Oh my god. Oh, your phone.
This is so messy.
Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side.
Kylie, go run get a napkin.
Okay, that was not a video.
Don't. All right, so what do y'all think about the Monster Treads slime truck?
0, 0.
0.
I give it a 0 too. It's real messy. The slime wasn't pre-packaged. It was just smushed in this bag along with a truck that was packaged. It kind of seemed like the truck should have been outside of the bag and the slime should have been in the bag, but it was a little different. So,
0.
Yeah, 0. So next,
More
the last
slime.
thing we have is more slime.
Of course.
Of course.
Slime, slime, slime.
I'm not gonna lie, that slime is perfect.
Something's in there.
It smells just like what it says.
Let's open
Let's see. This is called the Karina's Pre-Made Slime Hoppy Bunny Slime, and it kind of smells like
Lola and Bugs Bunny.
yeah, that reminds us of our pets that died, Lola and Bugs Bunny. If you didn't check that video out, go watch it. We went to the flea market and we bought some pets.
They don't know that Bugs Bunny died.
Oh yeah, Bugs Bunny died. Sorry, we didn't vlog that one, but yeah, he died like 2 days after Lola died. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch the video. We got our first pets from the flea market, 2 rabbits, and brought them home. In 2 days, one of them died, and then 2 more days, the other one died. And then we did a follow-up video where we did a funeral for Lola, the first one that died. So y'all go check that one out. I think y'all enjoy it. It was sad, but the one before that, when we first got him, that was a good video. So y'all make sure y'all check that one out. Yeah, that does smell pretty good. That one smells good. I like that one.
It smells like black tag.
And something about it is it has these bunnies in it.
That looks just like Lola.
That looks just like Lola. And then it has 3 bunnies in it. That's a pink one.
Where's the
Oh, I
brown
thought it
one?
was 2.
There's a brown one?
But yeah, it's just slime with bunnies in it. What do y'all rate it?
I rated it 100.
Oh, I rated a 10.
10.
I rated it a 10. Rated it a 10.
Because the smell and the rabbits.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Alright, so we kind of want to show y'all all the fidgets we got today. I think this is the most fidgets we found in all the fidget videos we did, part 1 and part 2. This is the most fidgets we found. So we want to show y'all what we got all together. Okay, so this is everything that we have. We got the kinetic sands, we got the slimes, fidget spinners, stress balls, squishies, all this. This is everything that we have today. And we do want to mix the slimes up to kind of see how it comes out.
And how it smells.
So yeah, we're gonna mix all these slimes up.
And we're gonna do
And
some shout outs.
see what happens with it. Alright, so now we're gonna mix these slimes up. All of these. And see what we get.
Okay, ready? Go, go. This one. This one.
Don't get them.
Oh my gosh, this one stinks. Look at it out. Alright. Oh, come on.
Mix them up.
Oh my gosh.
One big giant ball of slime. Wonder what this is gonna smell like with all these different smells together.
Hope it smells nasty or some good. Smelly. Big fat bubble like a boom. Smell it. Fidget.
Hold it.
Alright, so that's what we came up with.
It's rainbow slime. Smell like coffee and
It has a lot of different flavors and colors.
flavors. We gonna call this rainbow slime, y'all.
Rainbow slime.
Rainbow slime. It smells slimy. It's mixed.
So we mixed up all these different colors.
Chloe.
And I did figure out how to get this to work. And that's all it does. It just spits out the slime.
Ew. Shouldn't be spitting those out.
Okay, so I'm about to do the kinetic sand. So I'm gonna do it like this, guys, because it's like
Jimmy.
it's like a pretty color.
Oh, so pretty.
Making some bread.
And so cool.
Can't really pick it up because it keeps coming apart, but
Mm,
this color combo is cute.
Oh, that thing was flying.
Look at all the colors in it. This look like some ice cream.
Yeah. I'm making
colors,
a
guys.
digit fidget.
Mixing it all together. Make sure every color gets in there.
Fidget.
This feels
I
good.
have a cookie. Something to eat.
It has an interesting texture to it. I like it.
Yeah, it feels like
Let's put the half a cookie in.
some type of.
Shake the cookie in half the spots.
Make it
Shake the cookie.
This how you make it rainbow.
This how you make
Very
it.
interesting.
I'm gonna make. All we just need.
It's like the purple taking over.
All we just need the machine to it.
It was red, purple,
Black.
and like a blue.
Take this out.
Now the blue look teal. My slope, y'all.
My art. I'm making. My art. Ta-da. I'm making a cookie. Hey guys. It's good.
So we finished playing with the slime and the kinetic sand. We packaged the slime up.
And Joe mixed up the other slime with the original slime, and it got really, really messy.
Yeah, and Christy mentioned about freezing it.
So we're gonna experiment on it.
Yeah, I wonder what happened if you freeze slime. If
Freeze it.
anybody knows what happens when you freeze slime, comment down below and let us know if you tried it out before.
Let us know.
Let us know if you tried freezing slime, because we are curious to
I love a
know.
good experiment.
Yeah, we're kind of
We are
curious to know what
curious.
happens if you freeze slime, so we might try it and see what happens. Stay tuned for more videos. We got a lot of stuff coming up for the summer. A lot of videos coming up, so y'all make sure y'all tune in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Kylie, you want to tell them what to do?
Make sure you subscribe to the notification. And we will see you in the